Tignan natin kung meron silang mango at saka jackfruit.
Hi guys, I'm here to thank everybody who shared MaryAnn's video on their Facebook.
Hey, hey.
You ready to go? Did you go see Hobbs? Go see the little man?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Gising na ako guys. Late ako magising eh. 6 something na. Oh, 7:30 na.
Mom.
No, he's upstairs. Yeah, laying down.
Oh, she went back into it?
Maybe she think it's... No, I don't want bread. I'm not your mother. I'm not
Well,
your...
you always have bread and water. You can...
Croissants. But if there's an omelette, I
Right.
don't want... No, but I don't want... If there is an omelette, I don't want anything. Anyway. Good morning. What time is it, Han? What time is it? Oh, my husband's making me breakfast, guys. He's making me breakfast. Nagutom si Misty, guys. Pakainin natin. Are you hungry, baby miss? Yung leftover kagabi, yun na lang yung inano niya. I said, oh my God, he's hungry. Misty, come. Roxy, come here. Ay, pagkagahi sa ulo, ay ning kahana ba? Do you want some turkey? So I guess Tammy's cooking this morning very early. What time you start cooking this omelette and stuff? I think it's like 3 o'clock. It's crazy.
Oh, I was down here at 1, I was back down here at 2, I was back down here at 3, I was back down here at 4.
Oh my God. Roxy, come here. Where is my cup here? Coffee cup. Oh. I have my own coffee cup here, guys. Thanks, big boy. Did you even eat something? This is sausage?
Breakfast sausage tastes different than regular sausage.
Oh, look at how pretty is that guy, guys. Look. Omelette, hash brown. I thought it's a freaking cookie. It's not a cookie, guys. It's, what is that again? Sausage, yeah. This is what I always taste in the hotel, like free breakfast. This kind. Dito kami sa Shoprite, guys. Shoprite kami ngayon. And grocery lang kami. Tignan natin kung meron silang mango at saka jackfruit.
White pumpkin.
Wala, white pumpkin over there. There's a lot of candies right here. I can't find mangoes. Hanap tayo mango. Wala man silang mango. Look, tignan nyo yung jackfruit. Lumiliit. Meron sila ito. Magkano ba to? $6. Ayan. Wala, papaya. Ay. Andito kami ngayon guys sa Asian section. Dito, ha? What is it? Hot dog?
No, it looks like fish.
Looks fish. Just get to try it.
Crabby.
Oh yeah, the crab meat is good. This looks spicy. Tommy. Mozzarella is small per. Pickling salt. Ay, nako. Pickle. What is pickling salt? It's just like a sea salt thing. Pickling. Let me look here because there is salt. Iodized. There's no little salt. Cursor. Ano yung pickling, oy? Para man yung binuang man yun nga ting word, oy, pickling. Tikaling-ling. Pickling salt. Wala man sila eh. Train station yan dyan guys. Mala yan sa taas. Maririnig nyo yung mga train. Look, ang dumi na. Ang dami ng dahong nahuhulog sa lupa. Lupain. That's an outlet, Popeyes, right? It's an outlet, baby. Okay. Tapos guys, very quick grocery. It's a quick grocery thing, which is good because I hate grocery. I'm not a big fan of grocery, guys.
Not a big fan of anything that's done outside the house.
Wow.
Shopping for clothes, shopping for groceries, shopping for anything at all.
I like shopping for house. Like for house stuff, which is expensive, but I like it. I enjoy it better looking for furniture, kitchen stuff, decoration. I like it. I enjoy that.
But she don't love going around. She wants to go in, see something, grab it, and leave. No, I want to go now.
Yeah, that's who I am. Well, you know what? You'll be happy with that, because or else I just keep grabbing and enjoy shopping. And
That's not even the point. The point is you may take the worst product available because it's the first thing you saw.
no, I look also, hun. I was talking to Hubs, guys, this morning. He ran and look at the camera because the camera is just keep moving. I keep twisting the camera, so you do like this. Sit down in the living room and look at the camera. Montefiore Hospital. This is where I spend time when his mother gets sick. That was a few years ago. 6 years ago? No, 7 years ago. We always come back here. And I walk, guys. I walk here to the house. It's really close walking, but it's dangerous walking, guys, because there's a lot of guys stopping you.
Hi guys, I'm here to thank everybody who shared MaryAnn's video on their Facebook. Shout out to Marbella Isand Kunanan,
Yeah.
Nympha Mendoza, Rhea Augustine Daogdag,
Daog.
San Uriarte, and Ryan J. Razatlab.
Yeah.
But guys, thank everybody. These are just the people out here to shout out to.
Yeah, but there's more.
There's more, but there's not on here.
Yeah.
This is not this.
I still, yeah, I still have to look for more.
MaryAnn will read you more. Thanks, guys.
Oh, damn. Okay, we're gonna go home very soon. We'll go home very soon, baby. Alis din kami, guys. Just do your business over there. No, speak kay Karox. Roxy, come here, Kispy. Oy, Kispy, oy, kulang sa pansin, oy. Kaluka si Roxy, murag sideways, mani si Roxy magdagan, oy. Mura maghiwi ang lawas. Ano lang ako, guys, tawag nito. Wolverine. Wonder Woman pala to. Wolverine na naman tayo. Gawan ko lang si Tami ng dito, cucumber pizza, pickled cucumber. Hala, that's sweet too. Look at the expiration on. I thought there's no thing over here, but nakahanap pa rin siya ng ano.
2022.
Really?
I guess soy is good for a long time.
Yeah. Naghanap si Tami ng soy, kakala ko wala. Kasi dinala ko yung 1 galon. So, meron pa palang 1 galon sa baba. Which is good. Paborito kasi ito ni Tami, guys. Gustong gusto niya to. Pickled cucumber. No. Who wants some munsi? Do you want some munsi? Okay. Sit up, sit up. Do you want bunsi? Who wants some bunsi? BT? BT? Busy? He's making fart. Smell fart egg. Hindi ko pa natapos-tapos tong ini-edit ko. Meron akong ini-edit dito. Kapag andito talaga ako, wala akong magagawa. Flor de Lisa Plaza, Manata, David. Jennifer Labao Montalban, Bongkaras. Rosalie Ada. Iram Ukab Asiter. I know, binali mo yung pangalan mo. Cruz C. Nita Suarez. Josh Alina Velasco. Fil-Am A. Asirol. Tiri Inuza Hiago Salita. So, thank you po sa inyo guys. EJ MCS, and Elizabeth Orticio Suarez Balbuena. Ilsa Rodas Mans. Ilsa Samson. Vanji Mendizabal Tulaw. Purasol Angel. Nita Suarez. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you so much for sharing the video, ha. And, oh my God. Tom is bringing the fart. Tom is bringing the fart. This dog is very clingy, guys. Nakaupo lang siya sa tabi ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito. Parang tignan nyo yung face niya. Sad siya kapag andito. Parang namimiss niya yung sister niya at saka brother niya. Come, mama. Oh, mama na. Love ni mama. Love mo na ni mama. Si Misty andun sa ina niya. Sabihanan ko kasi yun talaga yung ina niya. Andun siya sa tabi niya din. Na-miss nila yung isa't isa. Kasi, yun. Ito din dito, nakaupo sa aking tabi. Kasi ito talaga yung baby ko. Si Misty talaga nandun sa totoong ina niya. Yun, naghalog-halog din silang dalawa doon. Naghalog-halog, di ba? Tayo din dalawa, halog-halog din tayo. Kasi ang baby ni mama, love man na. Roxy.
You ready to go ByeBye? You ready to go? Did you go see Hobbs? Go see the little man? And develops? You ready to go see your brother or sister?
Right here, Rox. This way. We're gonna go.
In the backyard of the queue, had to be a pool.
Hi guys. So far, so good. Yung traffic, okay man siya. Daming sasakyan, pero ano siya? Okay yung flow niya. Yeah, we're almost there. Hala, look, there is a deer. Look, there is a deer. There is a deer. Where are they? They're running away. Oh, they run away. They run away. True. There's the cutest thing. Yeah, I know. You make mama. My ear is hurting because of your barking. My God. I have to stop to let them see. We're almost home. There is 3 there. There's a deer, a baby deer, 3 of them. I'll be right back. Misty won't go down. Down, Misty. Come, let's go. Oh, Roxy's right there. Come here. Na, ayaw bumaba. Takot man ito, eh. Come here, jump. Jumpy. ayaw bumaba. Come. Let's go out this way. Do you want some bunsi? Come, let's go. Come. Come, bunsi. I'll give you bunsi. Come here. Do you want some treaties? Do you want treaties? Come right here. Let's go. Come. Go get him. Come here. Let's sit him up. Kailangan niyang tumalon, oy. Takot man, oy. Come here. Come here. Come here, takot. Come here, baby, takot. Oy, takot man jud, oy. Why you takot? Happy lagi sila dito, ba happy?
You raise it up.
you gonna do? Or just put it, either or.
I'm gonna just wear sweater, that's all. I'm not gonna make it higher. I love you.
Yeah, me too, man.
I miss you, I miss you.
Yeah, you should be over there.
I know, but no, you should be over here, but you're already leaving.
That's what I said, you should be over there.
Nice, you know, it's Cancun. It's freezing out here. Why, you guys doesn't wanna pee? You guys doesn't want to pee? Oh my god, let's go. Pee, come here. Because I take the treats out already, so that's why. Hi guys! So, yun. That's a good night call from my husband, from Tommy. And yeah, I'm going upstairs also because oh my god, I'm cold guys. I did a temperature up here for like 65. I turned the heater on down here. It is, hala, grabe itong si Roxy, pakainin ng treats. Uy, nagdali-dali. 65 degree dito. And yun. Okay, I'm going to end this video. Thank you all guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Good night guys. See you in the next day. See you in the next day because bukas hindi ako mag-upload. Every other day tayo. Anyway guys, right. Bye!